Hi guys, so the day is finally here. I have my own Ginamber Beauty Vitamin C cream. Guys, this cream is repairing, is the powerful antioxidant, is the moisturizer. It's amazing for anti-aging. I wanted to make this cream able to use for everybody, and I was focusing about sensitive skin, acne skin, and inflamed skin. Oh my god, this is a baby of my dream. I've been making this baby for 14 months straight, and today I finally have it in my hands and I'm selling on my website. It's just like I cannot believe I finally have the cream of my dream released into this beautiful world. Guys, my heart cannot describe how happy I am, how proud I am of myself, how truly inside in my heart I want to help you, women, men who have issues, who have a redness, who have acne, who have inflamed skin, who have fine lines, who have a hyperpigmentation. I was really thinking for a while how I should name like powerful antioxidant, like free radical killer or something like that. I was thinking like what should I name, but one word that stick with me is a repair, because this cream is repairing the skin from the deepest level of your skin. This cream, it does not sit on the top like most of the cream. It doesn't leave the oiliness, it doesn't leave the greasiness, it doesn't leave the tackiness, but moisturize your skin from deep level of the skin. It goes really deep in your epidermis. So it's just like, guys, I just don't have words to describe how good this cream is. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about production. I can insert over here video, guys. I kind of agree. I found a lab that they can do formula the way I want. I created formula myself. I did research. I spent about like 3-4 months researching ingredients. Yes, squalane, the beautiful, amazing plant-derived squalane ingredient, which is moisturizing crazy so well your skin, is the most powerful moisturizer that doesn't irritate your skin right now in the skincare market, and it is in this beautiful skincare cream that belongs to me. I'm just like, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm even making this video without any makeup. I truly believe that if you're a skincare company, if you want to promote skincare products, you do not promote skincare products with makeup. I don't have a single makeup on my skin, guys. I'm just so happy to introduce you this baby. It's been a dream of my entire whole life, 32 years waiting for this baby come true, and it's just like packaging is just so amazing. I've been dealing with the designer, with the chemist. Chemist didn't want to make the formula. He said I should put more chemicals inside, because oils and water without chemicals is really hard to make work. There is very tiny amount of small chemical that is at the bottom of the cream, which without this chemical wouldn't be able to make any cream. It's 97.2% natural, so it's only 2.8% everything what is on the bottom small chemicals that combines oils and combines water and combines all the other ingredients together and make them actually work. Without this, the cream, no chance that can be made oils and water together, because oil and water, if you know, guys, basic of the chemistry, they don't get along. And then it's 66.01% organic, so everything organic, plant-based ingredients. This cream is vegan, cruelty-free, no animals were tested, nothing. I was myself in the lab. I know how everything is done. It's made in United States, here in Florida, in Miami. People that work there, amazing, positive, hard workers. I invested a lot of money. I don't want people work as slaves for me. I invested really a lot of money in this baby, so I am charging just basically for that amount of money what I invested to pay taxes, to pay my employees, to pay salaries, and this is tiny amount to make for myself, to make my bills. Guys, I should have basically charged for this cream at least $100. It's right now on my website $39. I couldn't make any less. I know I couldn't make any any less. If I make less, I wouldn't make any money out of this and I will go probably bankrupt. So let's talk about ingredients right now a little bit. The main ingredient, guys, is aloe vera juice, which you know, guys, it's a very powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient. If you use aloe vera gel on your face regularly, like sometimes once in a while, you know that this has powerful moisturizing and anti-inflammatory benefits to soothe your skin. If you even have burns on your skin, if you have any inflammation in your skin, you should apply aloe vera plant and it's going to soothe. It's really good even after crazy burns. Then another ingredient is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is vitamin C derivative. I don't use L-ascorbic acid for a simple reason that it's not stable and is irritating skin, and is actually in medical studies proven that can cause acne. If you think about why would you apply something on your skin that can cause acne, so ascorbyl phosphate is proven in studies that it's not causing any acne, it's actually helping with the acne, and it's the only bioavailable form right now on the market of vitamin C, and it's absolutely stable. This cream is actually okay to be used for 2 years. It's crazy, 48 months. Yes, it's fine. And the good thing that you need very tiny amount to cover the whole face. If you want to cover the whole face and you want to cover the whole neck, you press the pump all the way at the bottom, you're gonna get this amount of cream, and this is actually okay, guys. In the neck, if you want to just for the face, you only enough this little pump. And if you want to have this as a treatment, because this is, I should call like a treatment repair cream, if you have just some redness or acne, you just apply this little amount, and this cream should last for you no less than a year, guys. I promise to you. Another ingredient is green tea extract, guys. You know, green tea extract is actually protects from free radicals. Free radicals are bad cells that basically want to destroy our skin cell DNA. There is nothing more powerful antioxidant as a green tea extract. Then we have squalane. Squalane in my cream is plant-derived squalane, not from animals. It is powerful moisturizing oil, basically, that is not irritating. Some oils can be irritating. Squalane is not irritating and is absorbing really deeply into the skin, not only sitting on the top layer of your skin. And the squalane is very natural, antibacterial, antimicrobial. Another ingredient what I chose for this cream is panthenol, guys. You know, panthenol is a vitamin B5 that is very essential to our skin. It is ingredient that can penetrate your skin like really deeply inside, can bring all the ingredients that are together combined in this cream to the deeper level of the skin, not like just sits on the top layer. This is in medical studies proven actually that is penetrating in much deeper layer than other products can penetrate. So it's kind of, you know, super goes deep into the skin, not on the surface of the skin. Another ingredient that I have is shea butter. Shea butter has high levels of oleic and linoleic acid, which basically can cause a cell turnover. So it's basically working like in a natural way. Retinols or retin-A is just very gentle, very natural, in very moderate way. Do not irritate your skin, do not damage your skin, do not make your skin peel. Who doesn't want that, right? Another ingredient that I have in the cream is licorice. It's amazing. It's a root, is a plant root that is very popular in Asian skincare products. It's actually amazing for brightening the skin if you have a dark circles. It's brightening your under eyes, it's brightening those dark spots wherever you have on the skin. It's amazing for those people with oily or combination skin. It's kind of normalizes the skin oiliness in your face. So yeah, that's it for the ingredients, guys. This baby is on my website jeanamber.com. If you have any comments, leave me down below under this video. I will be happy and glad to answer. This is my dream come true. I wanted to thank you guys for supporting me. I wanted to thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys so much. If you don't follow me on Instagram, JeanAmberX, I'm gonna insert it over here, my Instagram. First news goes to Instagram because it's much easier to communicate. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the red button down below and please subscribe. You can get notifications when I upload skincare related videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Have a nice day. Namaste. Bye.